Have you ever seen your money disappear right after getting paid? Have you ever found yourself counting the days until your next paycheck just to cover a debt? Or spent sleepless nights wondering how you're going to pay the bills? If you answered yes to any of these questions, stick around until the end of this video, because I'm going to teach you the best way to manage your salary so that you can pay off all your debts and still set money aside for investing. And if you can relate to this, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you dream of becoming rich but feel like you need some direction. Finally, comment "I will make my salary grow" below so I know you're committed to making a change. In this video, you're going to learn 7 actions you need to take to properly manage your salary. And trust me, tips 4 and 7 are the most valuable ones. Put an end to the frustration of a paycheck that just doesn't stretch far enough or limits your potential. Efficient money management is essential to getting the most out of your earnings. Identifying your mistakes and adapting strategies to your situation is the key to transforming your financial reality. When you analyze your financial situation, it's not just about spotting problems, but also about finding smart ways to improve how you spend. This means not just cutting unnecessary expenses, but also finding ways to make your money work for you, such as investing or finding additional income streams. Action number 1: set a fixed amount for essential expenses. By taking a detailed look at your monthly expenses, especially bills, you'll get a clear picture of how you're using your salary. Carefully write down all your expenses, as relying on guesses is not accurate. Paying bills on time is crucial to avoid piling up debt and creating financial headaches. It's also important to follow practices that help you control your finances. Setting specific goals for each type of expense can help you use your resources more efficiently. Action number 2: create a budget. No more spending without thinking. Now is the time to plan out every dollar, aligning it with specific goals. Organizing your finances is more than just knowing how much you earn. It's about understanding what you actually need to maintain a sustainable lifestyle. Once you've established this solid foundation, it becomes easier to spot where you can save and identify unnecessary spending. When creating a budget, don't forget to consider not only regular expenses but also potential unexpected costs. This gives you a more complete and realistic view of your finances, helping you prepare for the unexpected. Analyzing your income and expenses in detail not only shows where you stand financially, but also helps you develop strategies to reach your goals more efficiently. Additionally, technology offers useful tools to help you. Apps and specific software can simplify tracking your transactions, categorizing your spending, and providing insights into your financial habits. These modern tools make it easier to analyze data and make informed decisions to achieve your financial goals. In other words, creating an efficient budget is not just about separating what comes in and what goes out, but understanding your finances fully and proactively. Action number 3: explore multiple sources of extra income. If you're currently in a situation where you're squeezing every penny and don't see any room to boost your regular earnings, then it's time to diversify your income streams. When your current income isn't enough, it's time to seek additional opportunities in the job market. Whether through selling products or taking on extra work, incorporating this extra money into your monthly income will definitely help ease financial pressures. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to expand your skills and knowledge, making yourself more attractive for additional job opportunities. Explore new areas of expertise that are in demand in the market, or consider acquiring new qualifications that can boost your employability. Also, consider the possibility of starting a business, whether it's creating a small venture of your own or participating in freelance projects aligned with your skills. Action number 4: negotiate discounts. This is crucial when managing your finances. Paying your bills on time is essential, but so is negotiating discounts whenever possible. Shopping isn't just a transaction, it's an opportunity to use your money wisely. Instead of making impulse purchases, think about looking for discounts to turn your purchase into a smarter investment. Sometimes it's smart not to buy immediately. Holding off on a purchase isn't just an old-fashioned practice, but a strategy to take better care of your money. Have you ever seen your money vanish right after payday? Have you ever found yourself counting the days until your next paycheck to cover a debt? Or lying awake at night, wondering how you're going to pay the bills? If you answered yes to any of these, stay until the end of this video. I promise you'll learn the best way to manage your salary so you can pay off your debts and still set money aside to invest. If you relate to this, don't forget to hit the like button. Let's face it, financial stress can feel overwhelming, but the good news is, it doesn't have to be your reality. The first step to taking control of your money is understanding where it's going. Tracking every dollar you spend might sound tedious, but it's the foundation for better financial decisions. Whether it's a cup of coffee, a utility bill, or a subscription service, knowing your expenses helps you create a clear, accurate budget. Once you see the big picture, you can identify where your money is slipping through the cracks and make adjustments. But managing money isn't just about cutting costs. It's also about making your money work for you. Setting financial goals, both short-term and long-term, is key to staying on track. Whether you want to save for an emergency fund, plan a vacation, or invest for retirement, having clear objectives motivates you to stick to your budget and make smart decisions. And remember, even small amounts saved or invested consistently can grow significantly over time, thanks to compound interest. Don't underestimate the power of discipline and patience. Financial stability doesn't happen overnight, but by sticking to your plan, you'll start to see progress. Learning to live within your means, avoiding unnecessary debt, and regularly reviewing your finances will set you up for success. Unlock wealth in 90 days with the wisdom of a 7,000-year-old wizard. The Wealth Wizard's Secrets to be Rich. Achieving wealth in 90 days helps you overcome limiting beliefs, reprogram your mind, and set clear goals. This transformative guide, packed with motivational stories and practical exercises, is your path to prosperity. Get it now for the promotional price, available only today. Click on the pinned comment link and start your journey to wealth now. With the right mindset and consistent effort, you can transform your financial situation, reduce stress, and build a secure, prosperous future. Subscribe to the channel if you dream of becoming wealthy but feel like you need direction. And be sure to comment, "I will make my salary grow," below. In this video, you'll learn 7 key strategies for effectively managing your salary. Keep in mind that tips 4 and 7 are the most valuable. Stop feeling frustrated by a paycheck that doesn't stretch far enough or limits your potential. Efficient financial management is the key to maximizing your earnings. Identifying your mistakes and tailoring strategies to your personal situation is the path to transforming your financial reality. When reviewing your finances, it's important not just to spot the issues, but to also find smart ways to improve how you spend. This means cutting unnecessary expenses and finding ways to make your money grow, such as investing or earning extra income. One of the key ways to improve your financial situation is to embrace a proactive mindset. Rather than waiting for your finances to spiral out of control, take the initiative to set up a system that works for you. This could mean automating bill payments or setting up automatic transfers to a savings account every month. The more you automate, the less you leave to chance or impulse decisions. It's also a way to ensure you're consistently putting money aside for future goals without having to think about it. Additionally, diversifying your income streams is crucial. If your current salary isn't cutting it, it's time to consider side hustles or freelance work that can bring in additional cash. These days, there are countless opportunities to earn extra money, whether through part-time gigs, selling a skill online, or even renting out an unused asset. The more sources of income you have, the less dependent you'll be on any one paycheck, and the more flexibility you'll have in managing your expenses. Always think long-term. Managing your money wisely isn't just about getting through this month, or even this year. It's about building a stable financial foundation for the future. This involves not only paying off debt, but also making smart investments. Consider speaking with a financial advisor or educating yourself on low-risk investment options that can help your savings grow over time. With patience and the right strategy, your financial health will steadily improve, putting you on the path to financial freedom. Strategy 1. Set a fixed amount for essential expenses. By taking a closer look at your monthly spending, especially bills, you'll get a clear picture of how you're using your salary. Write down every expense carefully, because guessing isn't accurate enough. Paying your bills on time is crucial to avoid accumulating debt, which can lead to financial trouble. It's also important to adopt practices that help you control your finances. Setting specific goals for each category of expense can help you use your resources more effectively. Strategy 2. Make a budget. No more mindless spending. It's time to plan every dollar and align it with your specific financial goals. Managing your finances goes beyond knowing how much you earn. It's about understanding what you really need to sustain a lifestyle. Once you have this solid foundation, you can easily spot where to cut costs and identify unnecessary spending. When creating your budget, don't forget to plan not only for regular expenses but also for unexpected ones. This gives you a more complete and realistic view of your finances, helping you prepare for surprises. Analyzing your income and expenses carefully helps you create strategies to reach your goals more efficiently. Use technology to your advantage. Financial apps and software can simplify tracking your spending, categorizing your expenses, and giving you insights into your financial habits. These tools make it easier to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. So budgeting isn't just about tracking what comes in and what goes out, it's about fully understanding and proactively managing your finances. Strategy 3. Explore additional income sources. If you find yourself squeezing every penny with no room to boost your regular income, it's time to diversify your income streams. When your current earnings aren't enough, it's time to seek new opportunities. Whether it's through selling products or taking on side jobs, this additional money can significantly reduce financial stress. Expanding your skills and knowledge is essential for opening up more income opportunities. Look for in-demand skills in the job market or consider gaining new qualifications to boost your employability. You could also explore entrepreneurship, whether by starting your own small business or taking on freelance projects aligned with your talents. Strategy 4. Negotiate discounts. This is a crucial step in managing your finances. Paying your bills on time is important, but so is negotiating discounts wherever possible. Shopping isn't just a transaction, it's an opportunity to make your money go further. Before buying anything, always look for discounts to turn your purchase into a smart investment. Sometimes it's smarter not to buy immediately. Holding off on purchases can be a strategy for managing your money wisely. If you really need to buy something, always negotiate for discounts or find cheaper alternatives. Evaluate whether the purchase is worth it, avoiding low-quality products that could cost more in the long run. When considering any purchase, even small ones, carefully examine the conditions. Value every financial decision, looking beyond appearances and being more selective in your spending. Seek efficiency and quality in each financial choice to strengthen your long-term economic stability. Strategy 5. Make a detailed shopping list. Going to the store without a plan can lead to unnecessary purchases or impulse buys that mess up your budget. Having a list not only helps you stick to what you need, but also prevents impulsive spending, making your shopping more disciplined. Combine this list with a focus on finding competitive prices. Research offers and compare prices before shopping to arm yourself with valuable information that can result in significant savings. Recognizing a good deal is key these days, and combining a well-prepared list with attention to pricing creates a strong strategy for conscious spending. And don't limit this strategy to just supermarkets. Use loyalty programs, discount coupons, and promotions to increase your chances of saving. Following this strategy ensures smarter and more financially advantageous shopping. Strategy 6. Avoid accumulating debt. Amidst various financial obligations, adding more bills only increases the financial pressure. Have control over your credit card use, as they are often financial traps due to high interest rates. It's crucial to avoid unnecessary debt. But if you are already in debt, prioritize paying it off by organizing and committing to settling it gradually. Planning long-term debt payments is better than procrastinating. Remember, time is your ally in financial management. Use strategies like debt renegotiation to find better terms that fit your budget. By avoiding debt accumulation, you can free up money to invest in opportunities that contribute to long-term financial growth. Monitoring your debt ensures you have more money left at the end of the month. Use digital tools, apps, or spreadsheets to track your expenses and debts. This detailed control gives you a clear view of your financial situation, helping you make necessary adjustments. Prioritizing gradual debt payments is essential. Strategy 7. Invest in financial education. Understanding that knowledge is empowering while ignorance can be harmful is the starting point. Investing time and, in some cases, financial resources in financial education is key to breaking free from limited thinking. There are countless free educational resources online, offering a wealth of valuable financial insights. Actively engaging in this process requires not only willingness but also a proactive approach to seeking out information and applying it to your everyday life. Take full responsibility for your finances. Understanding the link between past decisions and your current financial state is crucial. The choices you make today will shape your tomorrow. With this in mind, creating an emergency fund is a smart step to protect against the unexpected, eliminating the need to rely on high-interest loans. Deepening your understanding of financial education isn't just about gaining knowledge, it's a valuable investment. Becoming skilled in managing your personal finances is an essential life skill. Embrace financial education not just as a process but as a lifestyle, and you'll gain the confidence and wisdom to tackle financial challenges. When you commit to improving your financial literacy, you're not just learning about money, you're taking control of your future. Financial knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and seize opportunities that others might overlook. By understanding key concepts like budgeting, investing, and debt management, you can build a strong foundation that will support you through life's ups and downs. The more you know, the better prepared you are to turn financial challenges into stepping stones toward success. One of the most powerful aspects of financial education is that it changes your mindset. Instead of seeing money as something that comes and goes, you begin to view it as a tool that you can leverage to create the life you want. This shift in perspective encourages you to think strategically about every financial decision, from daily spending habits to long-term investments. With the right knowledge, you'll stop reacting to financial problems and start proactively creating solutions that align with your goals. Keep in mind that financial education is a lifelong journey. The economy, markets, and financial tools are constantly evolving, which means there's always more to learn. Stay curious and open to new information, whether it's through books, podcasts, or even professional advice. The more you stay engaged, the more you'll continue to grow your wealth and your financial security. With a commitment to ongoing learning, you'll not only improve your financial health today, but also set yourself up for a more secure and prosperous future. In conclusion, real change comes not from passively thinking about your salary, but by actively learning how to handle your money. Learn about investments, create a budget, and plan your finances to empower yourself for future challenges and a more stable life. Also, seek ways to increase your income, such as through freelancing, investing, or side jobs. This doesn't just give you more money, but creates a safety net, making you more secure in uncertain economic times. To truly transform your financial situation, adopt a mindset of constant learning and adaptability. Finding creative solutions, learning from past mistakes, and seeking growth opportunities are essential to achieving financial stability, freedom, and security. If you've made it to the end of this video, congratulations, you're on your way to mastering your salary. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. I will study financial education, so I know you're one of the winners who made it through. Remember, from now on, your life is on the path of learning, and you're open to the infinite abundance of the universe. See you in the next video.